Welcome to this lesson where we will design about section for our website. So to start, let's create new layer right here. Switch to rectangle tool. We'll zoom out, press somewhere here, and let's place a new rectangle. The width will be 1600 pixels and height for now will be 300 pixels, but we might change it later on. The background for our about section will have this color right here, this green color. So let's get that color code from our style guide and paste it in right here. Zoom in. And we need to place our heading. Press T to switch text tool. Font family will be Maven Pro regular, 60 pixels, and the color will be white. By holding Shift, press somewhere here and write about dot. Press enter. As our about content will be in some sort of a container, the width for it will be 700 pixels. So we need to measure 250 pixels from this guide right here to know where to place our heading. So this is the guide where we need to place our heading. So switch to move tool. We'll zoom in. Move it right up against this guide. Control 1 to zoom out to 100%. We'll place another guide here because we'll have a padding of 100 pixels. So let's measure 100 pixels. Place a guide at this mark and move our heading into place. I will zoom in. Control 1 to zoom out. Now we need to place in about text. So let's create new layer. Let's switch to our style guide. Press T. Let's select this body text to get all the properties right here. Press enter. Let's switch back to our design file. Let's drag this text tool and measure 700 pixels. 700 pixels. And let's go to our information sheet. Highlight about text, copy it and paste it in. Control A. Need to change, Control A. Reduce the height of this text layer. Switch to style guide and let's get this color right here. Copy it and paste it in and press OK. This will be the color for our about text. Press V to switch to move tool. Nudge this text right up against let's zoom in, nudge this text right up against our heading, about heading, and by holding shift and using arrow down key, move it 40 pixels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Control 1 to zoom out. And for our bottom padding, we need 80 pixels. So let's again take a ruler tool, zoom in. Let's measure 80 pixels. Place a guide at this mark. Zoom out, select this background, press T on your keyboard, and now we'll be able to transform this layer, this background in this case, and let's increase the height of it to this, till this guide. Press enter. Now let's rename our layers. This will be about BG. Let's select all of these layers, Control G to group them, and we'll call about. And now we can save this file and have a look at it. Zoom out. Looking good, as you can see. And that will be it for this lesson. In the next lesson we will continue the work on this design with designing skills section. See you there.